Tailwind CSS in project and what are the benefits of it. So yeah, this is a agenda for this video. So let's deep dive into the project, like how you can integrate that. So let me run the open the project. So yeah, how you can run it. So step by step, I will talk about the steps. So here I have written the blog also that you will find out the all the commands that we use and also all the packages we use. So yeah, just go to so now and keep it mind, like please keep this thing in mind also, like we just need the CSS for the to set up this tailwind CSS. Not it will not work in the SS project. So yeah, if you see here, we have so just install those packages Tailwind CSS and push SASS. So here I have run all the commands before that so that everything should run smooth. So if you see here, we have run all those commands. So we will see the packages in our packages also. So if you see here, we have Tailwind, post CSS and all those things packages are available here. Now let's next thing is what we need to do so now what we need to do next is we need to set up the configuration file. So what are the need of this configuration file? So it is basically we need to create it on the root directory and basically just to set up the plugin and all. So if you so just create this new file, post css rcs and just add the configuration there. So we added that configuration also there. And next is what we have, we need to set up another configuration which is tailwind config js. So here what you can do, you can simply write those configuration, just create a new file in the root directory. You see here this directory we have. So here you can just simply just add this configuration. You can also do that with the command also. So we have this npx tailwind css init command also, that it will create a config. So now the project is set up. So now let's run a sample HTML so that you will find out like it is working or not. And so here I have written the sample HTML also. So if you see, we have this card block also you can use. So here we have simple CSS and all. And here we have this responsive panel. Here we have this button. And here, so now let's start with the hello world. So here, if you see here in our ref component, what I have done, so I have added all the. So if you see here, we have this HTML. So the project is. Let me run the project again. So here you can add those styles. So if you see here, we have this button primary and we have this tailwind UI component and we have this. So all these things, it will pick up all the tailwind CSS styles. So if you see here, and if you want to add in the additional configuration, so you can also mention that in add component CSS file also. So if you see here, I added the button primary configuration. Mainly we generally add those configuration the style as CSS. Also means if you want to use that, so you just need to import the tailwind CSS. So this utilities also. So now let's so you need to import the utility. You will import this. Yeah, let me show you. So if you see here, so this is our tailwind. So here it goes. If you want to check what styles it is getting added, so yeah, you can add that, see that also. So if you see this hello world, this is all the tailwind styles that we are using currently. So, hello world. So these are styles coming from the tailwind. So all those things. Yeah, this is all about the configuration part. So now we have done the implementation, like how we can implement this tailwind. So now let's learn what are the benefits, what are the real world benefits of this your component library. So we have created the integration part. So now let's move to the benefits. So yeah, if you see here, it has benefit like faster development, and you can do lots of customization with this, and it has minimum CSS bloat, and it basically make the responsive design made easy. So if you see, we have different types of classes that we can use in our project. Yeah, and so now we also have the other CSS framework like Bootstrap. We have others. So yeah, it is more preferable. So it's a traditional framework. So yeah, it is very good. So you can try it out on your project. You can create these kind of dashboard also. If you see this Tailwind sites, you will find out a lots of templates to work on. So yeah. And if we talk about, so in the Angular component, I have added, in the app component currently I have added that code. So if you see it in my app component, so yeah, we will add this code, sample code, so that you will find out it is working or not. And yeah, that's it. So it is very simple to use. So yeah, just try to implement. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.